ఏమైందో ఏమిటో చూద్దామా?
चलो समय, आकाश में जो हलचल मची है उसे देखते हैं। जितना तुम्हें दिखता है आकाश उतना नहीं है। यह बहुत विशाल विविधताओं से भरा है। कभी इस पर सूरज होता, कभी चांद निकल आता, कभी कभी ये लाखों सितारों से जगमगाता। मैं आकाश अखंड और असीम हूँ। मुझे शून्य भी कहा जाता है। जिस तरह ईश्वर निराकार होते हुए भी सत्य है, उसी तरह मैं भी निराकार हूँ और सत्य हूँ। मुझ में देवताओं का वास माना जाता है। पहले मैं कितना साफ सुथरा नील वर्ण में दिखता था। तारे टिमटिमाते हुए सुंदर दिखते थे, पर आज आप लोगों ने मुझे इतना प्रदूषित कर दिया है कि बच्चों को आकाश में तारे दिखाई नहीं देते। चित्रों में ही उन्हें तारों को देखना पड़ता है। कहो, कहाँ दुनिया में होगा इतना हृदय विशाल? आकाश सरीखा कोई नहीं, ना धरती ना पाताल।
మానవులారా, మరొకసారి కాలాన్ని మార్పు చేయవలసిన సమయం ఆసన్నమైనది. మీ బంగారు భవిష్యత్తు కోసం బాట వేయడానికి ముందు నేను అడిగిన దానిని గురించి ఆలోచించండి. నేను సృష్టించిన భూమి, నీరు, గాలి యొక్క కాలుష్యాలను నివారించి వాటిని కాపాడే శక్తి సామర్థ్యాలు, పట్టుదల మీలో ఉన్నాయా? అంతేకాదు, మీరందరూ కలిసి నేను సృష్టించిన ప్రకృతిని అదే విధంగా మార్చగలరా?
If yes, yesterday's planning, today's hard work, and tomorrow's prosperity and success should have a strategy. That is the change in the thought process.
कल, आज और कल बस आप ही होंगे सफल। आप मेरे साथ हैं तो समझिए कि समय आपके साथ है।
ఓం సర్వే భవంతు సుఖినః, సర్వే సంతు నిరామయాః, సర్వే భద్రాణి పశ్యంతు, మా కశ్చిద్ దుఃఖభాగ్ భవేత్. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతిః. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతిః. ఓం శాంతి శాంతి శాంతిః.
It was indeed a message-oriented program.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's take an oath to save the ailing planet.
This reminds me of Sir Robert Frost. He said, "The evening is lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep. Miles to go before we sleep, and miles to go before we sleep." Let's mark the end of formal function with vote of thanks and appreciation and gratitude to all those who have made this event a grand success. I now request Mrs. T. Valli to propose vote of thanks.
It is with immense pleasure that I stand before you to express my gratitude to the dignitaries. On behalf of the management, principal, staff and students, I extend a very heartfelt thanks to Shri K. Roshaya, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and former Governor of Tamil Nadu, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest for today's program. We are honored to have you here. I also thank you, sir, for your inspiring speech. I express my gratitude to Srimati N. Usha Reddy, Vice President, Durgabai Deshmukh Mahila Sabha, for gracing us with her presence today. Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring speech. I owe my thanks to Sri S.V. Rao, Chairman, Durgabai Deshmukh Mahila Sabha, P. Oval Reddy Educational Academy, for his never-ending support and guidance. Thank you, sir. I express my gratitude to Sri E. Narsimha Rao, Secretary, Durgabai Deshmukh Mahila Sabha, P. Oval Reddy Educational Academy, for extending his cooperation and motivating us. Thank you, sir. I thank all the committee members who are present amidst us on this occasion. I extend my profound thanks to our principal, Srimati Anjali Razdan, for motivating and guiding us with valuable advices. My sincere thanks to all the parents for their gracious presence today. I appreciate all the student council members for voluntarily carrying out their duties efficiently. Thank you, students. I am indebted to the Music and Dance Department, Art and Craft, IT Department and Events Committee for organizing and making this occasion a grand success. I also appreciate from bottom of my heart our teachers for their efforts in training and guiding all our students in executing this event. Thank you, teachers. We need to applaud each and every student of their enthusiasm and their hard work in making the annual day program a grand success. Keep it up, students. A special appreciation to Messrs. Namdari Entertainment Audio Visual for the stage decor, sound, visual effects and technological support. Thank you all. I thank all the members of the press for their presence here and for this event. I would like to thank all our staff and the sub-staff who works behind the scene, deserves our sincere thanks for making this day possible and memorable for all of us. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all our parents and the stakeholders for initiating in sponsoring towards the event. Thank you all.